This video has like weird circumstances. We were flying back and forth from Prague for a funeral the whole time. Well, it wasn't a funeral first, it was like hospital trips and then death and then funeral. So the day before I started filming, we went to the funeral and I'm very like not good with my emotions. So I was like all over the place, but I wasn't, but I wasn't, and I wasn't allowing myself to truly feel what I wanted to feel. So I went back the next day, which is the day I'm filming, but I cut that whole bit out because I don't want to post it. This is around that time, so although I look fine, I'm not, but I am, but I'm not, but I am, but I'm not, but I am, but I'm not, the whole thing. Anyways, I just thought I'd mention it, that way when I'm looking back at this video, I'm not like, why is this so fucking jumpy, why is this so, like, I'm like, oh yeah, that's why, cool. Good morning. I just woke up. It is Thursday, the 29th of February. Oh my god, it's a leap day. A leap day, a leap year. A leap day in a year, doesn't matter. I woke up today and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do something very important today. Not really. I woke up and I was like, let me get out of the house, please. I've been sitting in this house for the past like 3 days straight on this sofa, doing absolutely nothing. So I thought if I start filming, then maybe something will come off this day. I don't know if this is making any sense. I literally woke up like 10 seconds ago. I really need to pee. The plan for today is I'm gonna get ready, do my makeup, go to the cemetery, say a proper goodbye, and then we will see from there. I really need to pee. God, it's really bad. I'll be back. I had this crazy dream that we were going around killing people to get rid of a curse. But we were in kind of Harry Potter land, but we weren't. Bloody hell, was that dream crazy. Anyway, brush my teeth time. I've been so recently dehydrated because beer's available everywhere that I'm just like, drinking a beer, drinking 2 beers, drinking 3 beers, you know, and not drinking enough water. I didn't have any alcohol yesterday, so great, but I also didn't drink much water either, so not so great. So I'm going to plan to stay hydrated today, I think. Who knows? Brushing teeth time. That is the most disgusting clump I've ever seen. Can you come out and make this aesthetic? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I actually don't care. That's. I don't care anymore. Okay, don't fall off. There we go. So close to red right down. I feel like today is already off to like a not good start, you know, so we're just gonna see where the day takes us if we end up doing anything. If not, and you're coming along from the right, so suck it. Ew. Oh god. What a lovely view. Previously, for the past day and a half, this living space has been ideal. I have been sleeping on that couch. I have been spending my whole day on that couch. I have been going to get my food in that fridge because we just had a wake. It's like a party, but for, yeah, a wake, and they made so much food and they kept all up here because we had the party here. I still have the desserts outside. Oh, it was great. And then most of the food in the fridge got finished. So now I'm gonna have to make my way downstairs to get food items. However, no one is currently downstairs, so come along with me. I'm very anxious about interacting with people on specific days. Not because there's anything wrong with them, just because there's something wrong with me. We have rohlik, we have butter, we have ham. I've never been more excited in my life. You got your rohlik? Oh, it is like a baguette, but it's squidgy. I'm actually gonna find out the real definition of rohlik because I don't understand it. But oh my golly god, I need to learn how to make these and bring them to England quickly. Should I do 1 or 2? I'm ready to, because I'm a hungry girl. Yeah, this is where things get difficult. It's a very complex art, and then it often ends up looking like this. So what I usually do then, when there's a lot of butter coming out but not a lot of spreading happening, so I usually spread it unevenly hope for the best. And I either do both slices and add a thick slice of ham, or I just do one side and just add normal ham, because we don't want it to be too buttery. We want it to be the perfect combination of a buttery biscuit base and hamalicious ham. This nose ring is not gonna stay. I don't like it. It's not even a nose ring, it's an earring. Oh, I don't know why I give you the middle finger there, I'm sorry about that. It's an earring, however, I have had the flu for the past 2 weeks. I no longer have the flu, but I still have the snotty nose. Miserable, I know. Just picking up butter and placing it down. However, because of this, and because of my septum piercing, you know, the one with the dot dot wee, every single time I blow my nose, it loosened the ball. So multiple balls have fell. Multiple balls have run away from me. Now, usually I like it when balls run away from me. I'm not interested in balls. However, this specific ball, not this one, the other specific ball, I need. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go back to the gold one, the one with the one ball, and we're just going to go to Prague with that. Washing my face, falls down the sink, try to get it, falls even further down the sink, can't find it. Improv. Now, I did want to buy like a little hoop before because I thought it made people look cuter. Apparently not me. Apparently not me. Now with a full face of makeup, maybe, sure, yeah. However, with not a full face of makeup, I literally just look like a ball, and that was my mum's worst nightmare. Now here we have 3 choices of ham. I'm going to try each and every single one of them, and then we are going to go from there. You put the ham in, you close it up, and there you have your rock. I promise you, spectacularly amazing. The best thing you've ever tried in your whole entire life. So I think I'm going to put on Dr. Dolittle. No, that is a lie. I'm going to put on Night in the Museum, eat my food, and then see what's happening. See what's happening with the world. Lovely job. Okay, it's currently 3:34 and the sun's going to set in an hour and 15 minutes. I'm going to start getting ready. I've got to do my hair, got to get changed, I've got to do my makeup and then head off. Perfect. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Makeup time. Done with the makeup. I'm going to try and fix my hair and then we're going to head out. See, I think the nose ring looks kind of cute when it's a full face makeup, however when it's not. Hello, look at this health. Look at this beautiful girl. She's stunning, isn't she? Oh, she's beautiful. You're beautiful, aren't you? Look at that. That's a pretty little girl. Do I look stunning or stunning? ME Brightening Caffeinated Eye Cream. Don't know if it's actually spelt ME. Well, no, I know it's spelled ME. I don't actually know if it's pronounced ME or ME plus. Whatever it is, don't really care. It seemed to be working when I used it every day and every night. And I stopped using it every day and every night. And I don't know if it works, but we wait to believe. I've run out of face cream ages ago, so I'm just using my mum's anti-wrinkle powder, Nivea Q10 Firming Day Cream SPF 15. I know this is not what I'm supposed to be using because it's a night cream, but at the same time, it's better than what I have been using, which is hand cream. So, just gonna have to do. Isn't that stunning? Stunning. Good morning, good morning. That was off tone. Babe, you're always gonna be off tone. You're not a good singer. I don't even think tone is the right word to use. You're off. Good morning, we've slept the whole night through. For you, and you. We're supposed to be leaving soon. Oh, that was crazy. We're supposed to be leaving in like, I actually don't know. We were supposed to be leaving at 10, the time is currently 9:56. So that's not ideal. I got out of bed like 10 minutes ago, put on an outfit. I'll show you the outfit later. I'm putting a jumper over this and then jacket. Brushing teeth time, makeup time, hair time, skedaddle time. So let's speed this up. Let's go. Today we are going around central Prague, I think. Just for a walk with my little family. By my little family, I mean me, my mum, and my dad. No idea what's gonna happen. I really hate this fucking toothpaste. I really hate this fucking toothpaste. It's my fucking nerves. It just never wants to stay on the stupid brush. There we go. Oh, that's absolutely disgusting. I hate myself. The amount of water stains I got on my trousers is actually ridiculous. Protecting light moisturizer with SPF 15, just because I'm gonna go in with the simple protective light moisturizer. Okay, my makeup's done. I'm gonna perfect my hair, put on my clothes, and then I'll see you when we're on the road. Quick fit check, cargo pants, just top, and then my jealous jumper. Cool. Coolio. Don't you wanna? Can I can pretend? Don't you wanna be more than friends? Don't be tired, don't let go. Don't. Oh, my earring. Let go. Tidy up time, because this is state of makeup. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but I was talking about cameras yesterday and how I was going to take some. I've got two here. This is a Pentax camera, which actually has film in it, which apparently works. I don't know, I'm so confused, but it does. I've taken a few photos on it already, however I have to get the film developed to see. But it doesn't let me take a photo like this. I could take a photo like this, but as soon as I try to go, it doesn't want to work, which really confuses me, but that's fine. I tried to research it and I was like, why Pentax SBO115V camera, no selfie? Obviously no answers came up, but you know, I tried. This is from 1997, I think. I did a bunch of research and deciding. And then we have a Russian USSR sort of camera. It was camera, bloody hell. It was made in 1970s, early 1970s. So this is really cool. And you have to, every time you take a photo, you have to click this back, then look through the thing. And then it has no film now, unfortunately, but I do want to get some film for that because I think that'll be really cool. I'm taking these two home with me, which I'm really excited about. Philip, my cousin, stole the one I really wanted, the really cool one. I actually hate him for this. I really wanted this one. It's from the 60s. So you just, which is so cool. Look at it. And of course, that was my camera. That was just the case. Of course, he has to take it. I saw his little grubby little fingers all over it. I saw his face and I was like, oh God, he's going to want that one. And I was like, you know what? Ugh. I won't also say I want it because, like, you know, he can, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to be a selfish prick here. Like, I want it, yeah, but I also have the money to buy one if I want it that bad. But I do kind of want it that bad, so I think I might buy it. But I'm going to wait and see if I use these cameras first, because I think it's stupid to waste money. But look how pretty it is. Ah. It's currently 3 months later, and I've actually used the first camera, all the film in it. I haven't got it processed, but, you know, I've done that. The third camera I was talking about, I completely forgot about. I completely forgot about all cameras, I can't lie. So I'm definitely not buying it because it's not that important to me. Just thought I'd pop in there, looking disgusting, horrible. Can I just say that last night was my worst sleep? I had to deal with this. I forgot to film everything, but we're in Central Park, which is really exciting. Actually, I've been here multiple times, it's not really that exciting. But you know what? I am hungry and I'm really, really hungry. So, I'm so hungry and we still haven't gone food. I don't seem to be filming much because I have my camera and I'm trying to take photos, but I'm trying to pick the right exact time. It's very stressful. Oh. can't see you. Do it again.
You're gonna be missing one.
Got my kielbasa and I'm happy. Somewhat. Oh, I love kielbasa. My parents keep leaving me, but yeah, I don't know what's happening. We're gonna meet my cousin in about half an hour, then meet my other cousin in about an hour and a half, so I'll keep you updated, I guess. I have not updated you guys at all. We're walking around now. I don't think I'm gonna film much because I'm in the moment, you know, I'm in the moment. I'm trying to find the food shop because I need water, but it's not looking good. Prague Castle now. I've taken a few photos and I can't really get up. I'm not taking a video of you! My cousin just stuck his finger up my face. Fuck him. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Ow. There's so much energy that's just... Don't you dare. No. I'm currently being violently abused by everybody. They keep hitting me. My cousins, not my parents. Although my mum just slapped my head because I was taking a photo without her. Stressed.
Can't Philip do it? Why are you asking me to do this?
Stop moving. Because Philip's very likely to throw my phone on the floor.
Oh.
Or hit me.
No, she bought pink ring.
I don't like the judgment I'm getting. Okay.
Your nearest usable exit may be behind you.